Isn't this sweet? Look at her in her spa looking out the window. Yeah, she's just really riveted on something interesting out there. I love to see her enjoying the view. I just really wonder what that looks like from outside. It's probably covered over with tree branches anyway, so no one can see her. I can just imagine seeing the top half of a kitty face looking out over the window. That'd be so cute. Yes, it would. Look at that sweet baby. Oh, something over there. Yeah, this is one of her favorite spots. She just likes to relax here. Yeah, that's my little baby girl. I'll just let her enjoy what she's doing right now.